When is dinner? Dinner's at 7 o'clock tonight. When is the party? The party is next Friday on the 25th of September. When is the funeral? The funeral is on the 8th of May. When's the wedding? The wedding is on the 4th of June. When is your flight to Paris? My flight to Paris is at 4 o'clock on Monday. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 26th of November. When is your date of birth? My date of birth is the 17th of May 1990. When is Christmas Day? Christmas Day is on the 25th of December. When is New Year's Eve? New Year's Eve is on the 31st of December. When is John's birthday? John's birthday is on the 17th of August. When is the break? The break is in 20 minutes at 10:30. When is the next train to Edinburgh? The next train to Edinburgh is 1:30. When is the best time to phone? The best time to phone is in the evening. When is Mother's Day? Mother's Day is on the 11th of March. When is Halloween? Halloween is on the 31st of October. When is the election? The election is on the 8th of June.